Hello everyone, and welcome again to your daily dose of Amazon kitchen finds. Please like the video, it really helps me a lot. Experience versatile food preparation with our 22-in-1 vegetable chopper. With 13 interchangeable blades, a hand protector, peeler, and drain basket, this kitchen gadget can handle a wide range of chopping and slicing tasks. Its sharp stainless steel blades ensure efficiency, while the BPA-free bowl allows you to monitor ingredient sizes. Simplify your kitchen tasks with our 22-in-1 manual vegetable chopper. This versatile tool comes with 13 interchangeable blades, a hand protector, peeler, and 2 cleaning brushes. It can slice, dice, julienne, and more, making meal prep a breeze. The BPA-free transparent bowl allows you to monitor ingredient sizes, and the blades are made from high-quality stainless steel for durability. Save time and effort with our manual vegetable chopper. This versatile kitchen gadget allows you to control food sizes by adjusting the number of pulls on the string. Its ergonomic design ensures durability, and the transparent BPA-free bowl lets you monitor ingredient sizes. The 3 sharp blades are arranged for even chopping, making it perfect for a variety of foods. Slice through pizzas with precision using our ultra-sharp pizza cutter wheel. Its sharp blade and oversized design make slicing a breeze, and the soft touch rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip. Enjoy a clean and effortless cut every time with this durable and ergonomic pizza wheel. Make food prep a breeze with our Rotary cheese grater. With 3 different grating surfaces and a removable non-slip base, it's a versatile kitchen gadget. The clear sides provide measurement units for added convenience. Effortlessly switch between grating surfaces and enjoy a tidy kitchen with this durable and efficient grater. Seal your snacks with ease using our portable mini bag sealer. Its quick heating feature takes just 30 seconds, and sealing is done in 1 second, saving you time and effort. With a cable length of 43.1 inches, it's perfect for home use. Plus, the high-quality ABS material ensures durability and safety, making it ideal for everyday sealing needs. Upgrade your seasoning game with our battery-powered electric salt and pepper grinder set. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these grinders are not only sleek but also easy to use with one hand. They offer 5 adjustable grinding settings and a built-in LED light for precise seasoning. Tackle the toughest cleaning jobs effortlessly with our gap cleaning brush. Its ultra-fine bristles are perfect for reaching and removing dirt and grime from even the narrowest gaps around your kitchen sink, bathroom basin, or toilet lid. With its ergonomic handle, this brush ensures a comfortable and effective cleaning experience. Chop and mince herbs and vegetables effortlessly with our Mesaluna Knife Set. Its unique rocking motion design makes kitchen cutting tasks a breeze, from onions and cucumbers to chocolate and nuts. The included cutting board features a concave bowl, well to keep your ingredients contained and tidy while chopping. Cook with confidence using our instant reading meat thermometer. With high precision and a quick response time of 2-3 seconds, you'll achieve accurate temperature readings every time. The large LED display with backlight ensures easy reading, even in low-light conditions. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, making cleaning a breeze. Our high-quality stainless steel garlic press is a kitchen essential. Ergonomically designed, it offers a secure grip even when your hands are wet. It includes a silicone garlic peeler for easy clove removal and a small brush for effortless cleaning. Use it not only for garlic but also for nuts, seeds, and spices, and enjoy the added convenience of a built-in bottle opener. Get chopping in seconds with our Quizen Art Chopper. Its easy push-down handle allows for quick and efficient chops, making it perfect for cheese, nuts, vegetables, and more. The stainless steel housing and blade are dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup. With a compact design and BPA-free construction, it's a must-have kitchen tool. Open jars with ease using our ergonomic jar opener set. These openers are designed for various bottle caps, jar lids, and more. Their non-slip handles ensure safety even when wet, making them ideal for those with weak hands. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn lids and enjoy effortless opening. Keep your kitchen wraps neat and organized with our bamboo wrap organizer dispenser holder box. Designed for plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper, it features a storage container with measurement units for added convenience. The included 21 label stickers help you identify drawer contents instantly. Clean faster and more efficiently with our battery-powered scrubber. This tool scrubs up to 2x faster than a manual scrubber, thanks to its oscillating head that scrubs 60 times per second. Its water-resistant design ensures durability, and it comes with 2 different settings: pulse and continuous scrubbing. Savor every bite of watermelon with our magic watermelon cutting tool. This durable tool effortlessly cross-cuts watermelons into perfect 1.1-inch cubes, making it easy to enjoy this summer favorite. With a good grip's solid handle, it's designed for stability and comfort. Say hello to mess-free watermelon enjoyment. Experience fast gourmet popcorn with our microwave popcorn popper. Crafted from temperature-safe borosilicate glass, it doesn't require oil or butter and prevents burning with its efficient hot air circulation. Use the dual-function lid to measure the perfect serving size and even melt butter for gourmet results. Make salad preparation a breeze with our multifunctional salad scissors. Designed for comfortable and non-slip grip, these stainless steel scissors can slice, chop, and shred fruits and veggies directly into the bowl. The micro-serrated blades ensure effortless slicing, while the safety switch and dishwasher-safe design make cleanup a snap. Say goodbye to teary eyes while chopping onions. Our kitchen onion shredder is perfect for quickly and easily creating 12 uniform onion filaments. It's a handy tool for cutting green onions, shallots, peppers, and celery. Easy to clean and maintain, this shredding knife is a practical addition to any kitchen. Never worry about a messy faucet area again. Our Kitchen Guard silicone. Faucet handle drip catcher mat is designed to keep the back of your faucet dry and clean, saving you time on cleanup. Its silicone construction is both sturdy and flexible, ensuring it stays in place and efficiently drains excess water into the sink.